I'm here to talk to you about the experiment that is called the 197 experiment. So this experiment entails of a herb they were testing out. This herb, guava. I'm not talking about your pink guava that is genetically modified. I'm talking about the original yellow heart guava. So I made the capsule. This is my personal stash, and this is ginger, my personal stash, and I have a few others there. But this is what I'm talking to you about. So there was 197 women in a camping space. You know that anywhere women are together, then go through synchronization where the period cycle split in a two, where they're having their menstruation at the same given time, because we are nothing but energy and vibration. So after when they start a menstrual cramp, they use guava leaf, and it was proven that guava leaf is greater in strength for pain than Panadol. So then give pass that guava leaf used to reduce the pain in menstrual cramp, but not only that, pain on a whole. I'm done. Guava leaf, check the link in the bio below and you can get it to buy. If you're overseas, if you're in Jamaica, send me a text, I'll give you the detail. Peace and life. Experiment 197 women. Yeah man, peace and light. Guava leaf. Yeah man.